Greetings, dear students. Welcome back to English Talk. Turabashuje cyane abanyeshuri, tubaha ikaze nanone kuri English Talk. Today we are going to see the way to use have, has, and had. Tugiye kurebera hamwe uko dukoresha have, has, had. Meaning, icyo bisobanura. Have, has are present forms of the verb have. Nyine byerekana present. Have na has byerekana present form. Iyi indagi cyangwa se ibintu biba none biri kuba none present. They show ownership. Bikerekana nyine ownership cyangwa se possession. Kuba umuntu afite ikintu runaka. They show possession or ownership. Kuba umuntu afite ikintu runaka. Remember that we use has for he, she, and it. Dukoresha has kuri he, kuri she, no kuri it. An example, urugero. She has a phone. He has a ball. It has a tail. Yego, she ni ku bakobwa for female, he for male, ku bantu b'igitsina gabo, it for things and animals, ku bintu n'inyamaswa. How to use have? We use have for I, you, we, and they. Dukoresha I kuri, dukoresha have kuri I, ivuga njyewe, you, wowe, cyangwa se mwebwe, we, twebwe, they, bo. An example. Examples here. I have a book. Mfite igitabo. They have breakfast at 7. Barafata ifunguro rya mu gitondo saa moya. We have 2 teachers. Dufite abarimu babiri. Had. Had is the past form of have. Ni ukuvuga ngo had tuyikoresha twerekana igihe cyashize. Igisobanuro kiracyakire. Meaning say the same, stay similar, doesn't change. The meaning is showing possession or ownership in the past. Ushatse kuvuga ngo ukoresha had ushaka kwerekana ikintu wari ufite mu gihe cyashize. Examples. I had a bicycle last year. Umwaka ushize nari mfite igare. She had lunch earlier. Yafashe ifunguro rya saa sita, yarifashe hakiri kare. They had a meeting yesterday. Ejo bari bafite inama. What's the difference between have and had? Ni irihe tandukaniro riri hagati ya have na had? Have. Of course, have is present form. Have yerekana ibintu by'uyu munsi byo mu buzima busanzwe. None. Talks about now. It talks about now. Ibintu by'ubu. Example. I have a pen. Mfite ikaramu. I have a phone. Mfite telefone. Urumva ni none. Ni ubuzima bwa none. Uyu no munsi. Had. Had is the past form. It talks about the past, of course. Yerekana igihe cyashize, ibyo wari ufite mu gihe cyashize. Example. I had a pen yesterday. Ejo nari mfite ikaramu. I had a party yesterday. Ejo nari mfite ikirori. Examples with have. Ingero dukoresheje have. I have a new bag. Mfite igikapu gishya. You have many friends. Ufite inshuti nyinshi. Examples using had. She had a headache yesterday. She had a headache yesterday. Ejo yari arwaye umutwe. She had a blue dress. Yari afite ikanzu y'ubururu. That is the use of had. Common mistakes with had and have. Common mistakes with had and have. Amakosa abantu bakunze gukora mu mikoresherezwe ya had na have. Mistake 1, ikosa rya mbere. I had a car now. That's not correct. Bira ntabwo ari byo. The right way is to say I have a car now. Mfite imodoka. Nonaha. Mistake 2. Yesterday I have lunch at school. That's not correct. The correct one is Yesterday I had lunch at school. Ejo ifunguro rya saa sita narifatiye ku ishuri. Mistake 3, she have a pen. Ntabwo ari byo. Remember we said we use she with has. So the right way is she has a pen. Afite ikaramu. Short notes. Have is present, had is past, has is present, which we use for she, he, and it. Thank you very much. Short exercises. You're going to fill the blanks with the correct verb. Ujya kuzuza iriya myanya irimo ubusa ukoresheje have, has cyangwa se had. Thank you. Number 1, I a test yesterday. Ubwo nyine harimo akanya sisi. I leave a space there. Number 2, we gap enough water now. Number 3, he breakfast this morning. Thank you very much. Remember to subscribe, share, and like on English Talk.